This is verse 9 of the 12th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. We're in the midst of stories that Matthew is grouping together that particularly focus on the Sabbath. He has just answered the Pharisees' accusation regarding the disciples, as it were, harvesting wheat pursuant to the gleaning laws, but arguably contrary to the Sabbath regulations imposed by the religious elite. And Jesus responded to them with some Old Testament examples. And then we have another Sabbath situation coming along, and Matthew seems to introduce it by giving us a sense of a different setting, a different place. So we have Kai, the connective, metabos, from metabino. Bino means to go, meta means to go away, to transfer. It's a word that suggests a little bit of a different setting, a different situation, possibly even a different day. Very likely the case here. So having gone away or having departed, ekathen, from thence, indeclinable adverb. From that place, he's departed from there. Eilthen, from erchomai. Erchomai, I come or I go. This is the third person singular, aorist active indicative. He came. So having departed from thence, really suggesting that situation, that conversation, that controversy. He came. Ace preposition takes the accusative, tain, synagogein, into the synagogue. So he came into the synagogue, auton, of them. Now that does seem to tie it to the preceding story. Commentators divide slightly as to whether this is really a situation involving the same people, or is it simply referring generically to the general region, the synagogue of the Jews, the synagogue of that area. One way or another, of course, it's going to set up then this next controversy, which is again going to have to do with what's legal, what's lawful to do on the Sabbath, and what's prohibited. And again, Jesus is going to be challenging rather dramatically the rules that have been generally applied by these who were the religious leaders.